a garden full of green and cheer. The veggies gather, friends so near. They form a circle calm and bright to hear a tale in morning light. So tall and proud, with leafy top and voice not loud. His smile is kind, his heart is cool. He tells a tale beneath the pool. Tomato waves with joy so wide, while carrot stands with leafy pride. Corn leans close to hear each part, and onion listens with his heart. So still and wise, watching with his thoughtful eyes. The cucumber speaks, soft and slow, about the roots that help us grow. The stream runs clear, the blossoms bloom, the garden sways with leafy tune. The wind sings low, the soil is deep, the seeds of peace begin to sleep. Beneath the stars and velvet skies, the tale is told, the hearts are light in the garden's glow of night. Listen close, the earth will say, there's magic in the greenest day. With leafy friends and soil so kind, cool and calm is what you'll find. Magic in the greenest day, with leafy friends and soil so kind, cool and calm is what you'll find.